Question number 111. In germinating fatty seeds, fats are converted to sugars by first option C2 cycle, second glyoxylate cycle, third Krebs cycle, fourth C4 cycle. In germinating fatty seeds, fats are converted to sugars with the help of glyoxylate cycle, and the enzymes which are responsible for the glyoxylate cycle are present in the glyoxysomes. So, it is the correct answer. What about the Krebs cycle? In the just previous question, we discussed about the Krebs cycle. It is also known as TCA cycle. It is meant for the food oxidation. So this option is ruled out. What about the C2 cycle? C2 cycle is another name for photorespiratory cycle. It is the photorespiration which takes place in the C3 plants. So this option is also ruled out. C4 cycle is meant for the carbon fixation in C4 plants. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 112. Identify A, B, C, D and E in the given figure. The question looks very complicated, but it is very easy. The figure shows you conversion of nitrate into nitrite and the conversion of nitrite into ammonia. It means this is nitrate assimilation in plants. For nitrate assimilation, plants have nitrate reductase which converts nitrate into nitrite. So A should be nitrate reductase. Hence option number 3 is ruled out. From respiration we get NADH2 which converts into NAD plus H2O. Hence option number 1 is ruled out. Second is ruled out. Only remaining option is option number 4 where it is correctly mentioned. Now nitrite is converted into ammonia with the help of nitrite reductase. It is again given. Yes. And E should be PS1. Through PS1 we get electrons and protons. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 113. Read the given statements A and B and choose the correct option. A. The enzyme nitrogenase is made up of molybdenum iron protein. B. The synthesis of ammonia requires very high input of energy, that is 8 ATP for each ammonia produced. First option only A is correct. Second only B is correct. Third both A and B are incorrect. Fourth both A and B are correct. The enzyme nitrogenase is present in prokaryotes which are nitrogen fixers, and this helps in conversion of atmospheric nitrogen gas into ammonia. This enzyme is an iron molybdenum protein. So this is correct. Second, the synthesis of ammonia requires very high input of energy, that is 8 ATP from each ammonia produced. Yes, just to convert one molecule of nitrogen gas into ammonia, we require 16 ATP. So for one molecule of ammonia, 8 ATP molecules are required. So this is also correct. So both the statements are correct. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. What is true about photorespiration? A. It is also known as C2 cycle. B. There is neither synthesis of sugar nor ATP. C. It's a wasteful process in C3 plants. First option only A and B. Second only B and C. Third only A and C. Fourth all A, B and C. Photorespiration is the C2 cycle. So this is correct. It is seen in C3 plants where it is a wasteful process. So it is also correct. There is neither synthesis of sugar nor ATP. Yes, hence it is a wasteful process. So all A, B and C are correct. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 115. CO2 fertilization effects signifies first option higher yields if some C3 crops are allowed to grow in CO2 enriched atmosphere. Second, effect of CO2 on double fertilization event. Third, lower yields if C3 crops are grown in CO2 enriched atmosphere. Fourth, both 1 and 2. CO2 fertilization effect. What is CO2 fertilization effect? Effect of CO2 on double fertilization? Not at all. There is no relationship of double fertilization and CO2 fertilization effect. Third, lower yields if C3 crops are grown in CO2 enriched atmosphere, no. When some C3 crops are grown in CO2 enriched atmosphere, their productivity increases, they produce higher yields, and this is called CO2 fertilization effect. This is not shown by the C4 plants. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's see the next question.